The Mixtecs in the state of Guerrero number around 100,000 people spread out through a number of municipalities. Annie and I have worked principally in the municipality of Metlatonok and Cochuapa. Isaú Mercenario is a Mixtec from Yuvinani, not very far from where we're sitting. What's exciting about working with Isaú is watching him as a Mixtec reach other Mixtecs, and he can do that far more effectively than I do.
Pues lo que Dios me ha llamado, hermano, para...
God has called me to my brothers to preach His word. I thank Him for the opportunity to work with my own people, the mountain people. My job is to raise up leaders. I can't be the only leader. It's vitally important to create leaders in every church, for them to learn how to sustain themselves and not to rely on someone else. They need to do the work for themselves. That's what God wants. And that is what really draws me to the mountains, because other pastors usually stick to the comfort of the cities. Nobody wants to go up in the mountains and suffer. To be in the mountains is to suffer. It's hard to find food. It's hard to put up with the cold and find a place to sleep. But I'd like to follow the example of Jesus while He was here on earth. He didn't stay in a hotel or care that where He was nice. What Jesus did was teach, heal, and walk with the people. His example is what I try to follow, to go wherever the people are, to be with them no matter where they are. That's where I know my heart is, and that's what I believe God wants for each and every one of us to do.